Well, here we are. It's Father's Day, 2011, 8 o'clock in the morning, and I get a call. Animal control referred me to this lady over here in Pleasant Valley with a skunk that has apparently got his foot caught in the garage door inside the garage. And he's hung up and he's not going anywhere. Duke's Wildlife Control is on his way there to remedy this problem. And hope I don't get sprayed in the face. But we will tune back in with you here in a minute. We are en route to skunk who's caught in a garage door. Okay, bye. Okay, this is where the skunk is.
In that corner. He's hanging.
Oh, he is hanging up there. Look at that little guy. It looks like his arm's caught in that roller.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. You're gonna be all right. He's already got his butt up in the air. I got him. Yeah, it's a mama. You want to open the garage door?
Yep, it's gonna go down first.
Okay. It's a mother. As you can see, I got the skunk right here.